Cloudview hammock is designed for hanging out, socializing, catching some rays, and enjoying the breeze. Standard hammocks envelop you with fabric, isolating you from your surroundings. Cloudview's spreader bars and lay-flat patterning are carefully designed to provide a reclined chaise lounge posture with head and upper body on a gentle incline and legs level. Integrated no-spill cup holder for ready access to your favorite beverage and tablet-sized pocket facilitate good times. Weatherproof mesh keeps air flowing and cleans easily. Included tree straps make setup a breeze. Custom designed, infinitely adjustable hardware transport you to chill mode fast and safe. Don't be left out. Relax and socialize in comfort with Cloudview. Thanks for checking out Cloudview, the social hammock.
We believe fitness should be fun and that everything you do adds up to a healthier you. That's why Flex 2 tracks all-day activity like steps, distance, and calories burned, no matter where you're going. Flex 2 is life-proof and swim-proof. It automatically tracks your laps while you swim and other exercises like running, biking, and aerobic workouts. Then syncs it all to the Fitbit dashboard and lets you share and compete with friends. Flex 2 is designed with an ultra-slim removable tracker that hides away in classic bands, fashionable bracelets, and pendants. So it works with your personal style and goes everywhere that you do. Using colored lights and vibration patterns, Flex 2 notifies you when you're getting calls or texts when your phone's nearby. And when you need a nudge to stay active, you'll get a reminder to move that encourages you to get going and hit your goals. Flex 2 automatically tracks how long and how well you sleep to give you a fuller picture of your health. From day to night and everywhere in between, Flex 2 goes wherever life takes you.
Sometimes we want to be in two places at once to have more time for true values. Imagine that a single device will bring more comfort, safety, and happiness into your life. Branto is a streamlined wireless device that offers a wide range of functions, right from the box. Finally, your loved ones living thousands of miles away can be as close to you as if you were sitting next to each other. Unique 360 rotating full HD camera, superior sound quality speakers and microphones let you achieve full presence effect. You want to be closer to your loved ones while you are away. Maybe your son needs help being home alone. Or almost at home, because Branto is self-powered and cellular connected. On the edge of the working day, you are always in a rush. You don't need to ride home to see how Nanny manages your little daughter. With Branto, it takes a few seconds to be at home. Tell Nanny how to dress up your child for a walk. And with the help of Branto bit sensors, you will know where the window is left open and have the nanny close it before they leave for a walk in the park. You can even amuse your dog. Turn on his favorite TV channel. Would you like your smart home meet you with a pleasant coolness after a long working day? Turn on your favorite music. With Branto, house tuning turns into pleasure. It is especially important for your kids to sleep well before a full weekend. When night comes, you can use Branto to stream a fairy tale to your child. Branto's soft light gives off a soothing glow, adding another layer of comfort and eliminating all your child's fears of the dark. Welcome to a brand new day. Have you ever been in urgent situations when your presence at the meeting, negotiation, or conference is vitally important? Being with your family far away from the city, you do not need to rush to the office anymore. Due to the full presence feature, you can see and hear each member and participate in the process. And in 1 second, you are again with your beloved wife and kids enjoying camping. While you are away, Branto is guarding peace at home and will immediately notify you of anything suspicious or cute. Create your own story.